In this video, you're going to learn how to drive more traffic on your WhatsApp, what not to do as a WhatsApp marketer, and the things you should keep doing for more sales to keep happening on your WhatsApp. Is that something you want to learn more? Hold on and go through this video and make sure you watch to the end. But don't be stingy with the whole information. Make sure you share it when you are done to somebody. Yes, my name is Kingsley Nemeka and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we are committed to showing you everything you need to know about making money on the internet, and we also give you tricks and tips on how to make more money on the internet and everything marketing. If this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. All you need to do is to click the subscribe bell button, turn on the notification bell icon, and then go to the comment section and drop "I have subscribed." I will visit you with something you would really like to have. This is how we surprise our new subscriber. Each time they subscribe, they go ahead to tell us they have subscribed, and we surprise them with a gift they really love to have. Today, like every other day, our videos are always top-notch, and we always have something to discuss with you in as much as business is concerned. Today, we're going to be talking about how to drive more traffic on WhatsApp. And yes, you may be asking, why WhatsApp? And I say, why not WhatsApp? Now, one of the best things I have enjoyed as a WhatsApp marketer is because WhatsApp feels like home. A lot of people feel safe on WhatsApp, and it's something that have really worked for me, and it has been something that I've tested and it is working. And one of the things you should know is this: when it comes to WhatsApp, closing on WhatsApp is really simple. When you want to close a prospect on WhatsApp, is really simple because you have a lot of tools to apply. You can use your voice note. That is not a call, but a voice note. I mean, few minutes before making this video, I closed a sale, and that's because I was texting with this person, and the person feels as if he was not satisfied with the text I was sending. Guess what I did? I used my voice note and said something to him, and he said, okay, I should hold on, that he's making the transaction. And yes, I was pretty sure that it was my voice that did the final conversion for him, because when he heard my voice, he believed that, oh, this is his voice. Do you understand? Yes. So WhatsApp marketing is very, very crucial and one of the easiest platform where you can close sales. And one of the ways to drive traffic to your WhatsApp is by sharing of WhatsApp link. A lot of you may not know what WhatsApp link is, but sincerely speaking, if you are able to create a WhatsApp link, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, you will be so easily connected to. When I want to connect with people on WhatsApp, they will just said, use this number to add me. How many of you usually add people that send their number for you to add them? It's very stressful, right? Because by the time you type out these numbers, trying to save it up, and then start to search for these people that you just saved, and then try to send them a message, is usually stressful. And even though it's not really a hard work to do, but in the brain is stressing, and people really don't want anything stressing them, especially you as a business owner on WhatsApp. Anytime people ask for your contact, do not send them your contact in digits. Send them a link that will drop them to your WhatsApp. And how to create that link is very simple. You just head on to word.link. When you get to word.link, you can see this open box right there. You put your phone number. When you put your phone number, there's an open box below. You type what you want the people to say when they come to your DM. Immediately you do that, you scroll up and then tap on create a link. When you create this link, you copy it, and that is your link. It doesn't expire. Anywhere you put it, people can always reach you with a click. You don't have to stress people to get to you on WhatsApp. When you give people your number to save, it is going to be a problem. So how do you now get more traffic on WhatsApp? First of all, which platform are you using to generate leads? Me, I use Facebook. Most of my content are published on Facebook. All I need to do is to put my WhatsApp link on my bio and put it most of the times during my content. So each time I'm done with passing out a very vital information, I go ahead to call to action by telling them to send a WhatsApp message using the link below or using the link in the comment box. That is how to get more leads. And one of the things you do to keep this lead is make sure that your status is always on fire. Your WhatsApp status is just like a billboard, yes, a signboard, yes. Anything that people want to see that you are selling, it is on your WhatsApp status that you can go ahead and keep pumping it there. By the time these people keep viewing your WhatsApp status and keep seeing what you're doing and keep watching your results, they will come inside your shop, and inside your shop is your DM. I know you may not understand, my student knows this better, and that is you getting more people on WhatsApp. And remember, I was telling you that you can actually do a lot with WhatsApp. The very first tool that can help you as a WhatsApp marketer is voice notes. I always tell my students to use voice notes, and one of the powerful tool again that is very, very powerful, we have tested it, is voice call. People want to be heard and loved. So when you give them a voice call, they will feel, oh, this one cares about me. And in the next video I'll be posting, I'll be showing you some WhatsApp do's and don'ts, what not to do on your WhatsApp as a WhatsApp marketer and what to do on your WhatsApp. So as a WhatsApp marketer, click and subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, because the next video I'll make sure I tag you. And if you want me to really tag you, drop WhatsApp in this comment section, and I'm going to tag you when I make the next video on what not to do on WhatsApp as a marketer and what to consistently do. I believe you have learned something in this video. Go ahead and like this video. Another tool you can use on WhatsApp is video call. There was a time I needed to close a sale, and I have tried every method I know on how to use, gave this guy an offer, but he was not taking it. And do you know what I said? Can I give you a video call? And the guy was like, yes. Did you get that? And immediately I gave him a video call. Guess what? I dropped that call and received a lot from him, because he saw my face, he saw everything, and he saw that, oh, this one is real. Because some people too, the voice note will not do. So WhatsApp marketing is really beautiful if you learn how to use it. Now that I have shown you, don't joke with WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp is really a place you can close a lot of sales. A lot of people are making money online today, does most of the closing on WhatsApp. And if I'm not sure of most people, I am sure of over 200 and something students of mine who are doing well for themselves in sales and marketing. And I will give you a video for free that can show you how to learn sales and marketing and get started for yourself immediately after this very one. All right? Yes. So when it comes to WhatsApp, I said something like, do not stress your prospect. Instead of sending them a digit, please send them a link. Sending a digit and then copying the digit to save it and then search for you is usually hard. I learned this one, and since I learned it, I usually copy my links and send them, because it is more easy for people to click to connect than for them to save your number and then search for you on WhatsApp. Sometimes the network is fluctuating and they cannot even find you immediately. They may even forget, and you'll be wondering why these people didn't message you when they were showing interest in your product. Have you seen why a lot of people didn't message you? Because you typed your number instead of going to word.link to create a WhatsApp link that you can just share to them once and for all, and they come to your WhatsApp and you attend to them using voice notes, video call, or even voice call. Have you ever thought why they added voice notes on status? It's because they want you to connect with your customers the more, so that when you speak on your voice note, they will know that, oh, this is how he sounds. Do you understand? Because it takes long for you to really convert some people who are really, really hard to convince, especially those ones that have been scammed before. So keep showing up, especially on WhatsApp status. Use voice note for your prospect. Let them hear your voice and know how your voice sounds. If you can go on a video call, go ahead. And if you can speak on your status, go ahead. WhatsApp marketing is so simple, and I really want to know what you think about WhatsApp marketing, and tell me what you're struggling with your WhatsApp marketing, and I'm going to help you fix it. That's where we specialize, and we're doing a lot with WhatsApp, and you should just be one of us. I hope this video is helpful. Please go ahead, like it and share it to someone who should come and follow this WhatsApp series we're about to start to help you become better with your WhatsApp marketing. I hope you're ready for it. Yes, this video will teach you everything about sales and marketing and how to get started immediately. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and once you do that, I say things that I say to my students, and that is chase knowledge first. Let's go.